First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the phone transfer page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare phone transfer installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer data from Samsung to POCO in the software, connect your Samsung phone to the computer via USB. The software will detect your Samsung phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your phone to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, link your POCO phone to the same computer via USB. When your device is recognized by the software, you will see Connected under them. Tick off the data types you want to transfer, then click the Start Copy button. Data including contacts, call logs, text messages, photos, music, documents, videos, and apps can be transferred from your Samsung phone to your POCO phone. It will take some time, please be patient. Click OK when the data transfer is finished.